Hi again. We just looked at the Virginia Standards of Learning tutorial. Now we're going to look at a different set of guidelines that's not quite an SOL. There is no applicable SOL for social and emotional development in the Commonwealth of Virginia. What that means is, one, Virginia school divisions are not required to adopt these guidelines, and two, there's no standardized test, or SOL, to assess the children's development in social and emotional. In 2020, the General Assembly required Virginia Department of Education to develop these guidelines, as research shows that social and emotional development is vital. So we are going to look at these guidelines that are very similar to SOLs, but simply guidelines. All right, so again, in CHD 165, you're going to find these links in the Canvas shell, but for those of you that are not in my course, you can Google Virginia SOL Social Emotional, and then you can click the first one, Social Emotional Learning Guidance Standards. All right, this is going to bring you to the landing page, and there's 5 different aspects that are looked at within social emotional learning. We have self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship skills, and decision making. Just like the SOLs, these are done by grade. They're not done by specific 1 grade at a time. They're 2 grades at a time, except for kindergarten. So let's just look at kindergarten. We're going to click on that, and it gives us the indicators of what children will learn in social and emotional development within all 5 of those aspects. So we're going to scroll down past the introduction, and we are going to look at social emotional learning. All right, so kindergarten, for self-awareness, we have all 5 aspects of self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship skills, and decision-making listed. Don't worry about all these complicated identifiers like SEA1KA. Those are not what I'm concerned about you knowing. I just want the words in the indicator. So for instance, 1 might be, I can name basic emotions, or I can identify a value or something important to me, or I can define strategies that allow me to stay calm. I can explain why I'm grateful for someone or something in my life, or I can describe a problem. So these are what you're going to list on your checklist for social and emotional learning. All right, it's pretty simple, but it looks very complex. So just bear with me and keep in mind that I'm always here to walk through this with you individually. All you need to do is text, call, or email me. All right, that's it.